The Finger Lakes region is a great place to experience the outdoors. As you drive around, you really get to see where food is grown.
I think part of the beauty of the Finger Lakes is that it's an agricultural landscape. You have a lot of forests, you have the lakes, of course, that are gorgeous, but you have a lot of beautiful farms that people are pouring, their heart and soul into. It's not just the outdoor experience, you also get to go and rest your tired muscles and having a spectacular meal.
People started turning up, and we started figuring out what they wanted, and they were into the cider and really into the food. They want a place that they can see what is it like to eat a sandwich made with bread that was grown and milled and baked all in the same little pocket of the Finger Lakes as an expression of like the gifts of the region, the gifts of the land.
Maybe it feels weird for people to think about food service as like an artisan thing, but we're putting our effort and time and skill into these objects for you to take home and enjoy.
When you travel to a place, you really want to get a flair for the local flavor. These are the people who grow the food. These are the people who make the food with their own hands. It's pretty special, and you really get to see where your food comes from.
Cheers. Cheers. One of the things that I think is really special about the Finger Lakes wine region is that so many of the wineries were started by families like ours. And so when you come to the winery, you're often meeting the folks that were growing the grapes or making the wine or, planting the flowers out front. So you get much more of an authentic experience.
So we all want our neighboring wineries to make good wine and help. We help each other. Having a customer come in the tasting room and say, "Oh, I really like this kind of wine." Well, and I don't happen to make it, but I do know a neighbor that does, so I send them down the road to do that.
I like to tell folks that one of the most positive things they can do is to know the people that make your food or know the people that produce your drink. Like get to, connect with some of those people, see what they're doing, learn a little bit more about the agriculture that you are participating in.
It's all a way of building that community and showing the world, this is what we've got, this is what we are doing because of our community.